Welcome to Cooking and Storing with Ann and Wayne. Today we're down in the basement with our new storage cabinet. We have been struggling with an idea to store our mylar bags to keep them protected from mice. We couldn't just put them down here in the basement on shelves, and I had ran out of storage room upstairs in my small pantry. So we thought we wanted a cabinet that maybe had shelves this way and open doors this way, but Wayne found this wonderful cabinet on Facebook Marketplace for less than $100, and the storage capacity in this thing is, well, it's more than what we need for right now, so it's great. Let's have a quick look inside at how I have arranged some of our things. I put our jars in the top. This does not pull out. I wish that it did, but it doesn't. But it's still a great storage area for the glass jars. Then our mylar bags are here. I've grouped these by food group and by date processed. But you can do it any way you want. There's so many options for how you can use these drawers. I think this is going to work really well for us. We realize that this is not the only method that works for storing your mylar bags and your cans of freeze-dried food. So if you would, share in the comments how you store yours, and we can learn from each other. Thank you for visiting Cooking and Storing with Ann and Wayne. Please subscribe and click like and share with your friends. It will help us get more videos out sooner.